Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Becca. If you don't already know, well, now you know, so congratulations. This video is mainly about the fact that I'm going to dye my eyelashes today. I'm very nervous because I really hope I don't get it in my eye. But before I do that, I have some stuff I have to do. My room is a mess, which I know I cleaned it literally the other day. It's a mess again. So yeah, I need to clean up my room. I'll show you the before. This is how it looks right now. It's pretty messy. Also, there's a new intro, so I hope you guys like that. If you guys haven't watched my last video, definitely go watch it. It'll be in the iCard. I think it's over here. I also need to go and edit one of my YouTube videos to have an iCard insert. I also need to put some makeup on. I have church tonight for young adults, so there's just a lot going on today. So, and I need to bathe the dogs, so. You're gonna hear the dog barking in the background, but my room is finally clean. Guys! Let's shut this window. It's like kind of clean. I still need a mop, but this is what it looks like. It looks so much better. You can clean my floor, which is so nice. I swear I clean my room like every single day. Okay, so the lighting in here is gonna be kind of weird. The light in here is very yellow. We're gonna dye my eyelashes, which I've never done this before, so wish me luck. This is the little baggie it comes in. I did already look in the package. This is what it looks like. It's not opened, it's sealed, so that's kind of promising that this isn't going to destroy my eyes. Oh, look how cute. Okay, so there's instructions, disposable gloves. There's spoolies and stuff. And then I guess this is the solution. This little spoon, develop agent. I don't know what that other stuff is then, but. And this is tint. So the tint that they had was black and very black, but I didn't see the very black. I thought the very black was brown on accident, so I got the black, but it's fine. I'm sure it's the same thing. And then they have these really like cool eye patch things. I'm gonna skim over the directions before I do this. I look like an egg. Actually, I look like the gingerbread man off Shrek. I have to like put my glasses on while I do this because I can't read. Okay, so I have to put on these little eye thingies. I'll be real, I don't think I'm gonna follow these instructions very well. I'm just gonna like do it. Okay, I'm gonna either use one of these, but I'll determine that in a minute. So you have to do equal parts of the developer and the like color, which it's a pump, which makes it so much easier. I'll do 4 of each. Okay, that's what it looks like. This would have been so much easier to do in my room, but I don't know if I have enough on there. Oh, I got it in my eye. Yeah, don't get it in your eye. Oh. Okay, I think I'm gonna move this stuff to my room, so. Okay, so sorry you guys, this lighting is literally gonna be awful. Sorry, this lighting literally is so sad, but this is honestly the best I can do with lighting. But I think I did it, but I think that looks pretty good. I should have took a before photo. I want to do my eyebrows really bad, but I'm really scared that they'll be like really dark. Okay, I just put it on my eyebrows, so let's hope it doesn't turn them black. Okay, I think it's time to actually go like wash this off my eyeballs, so. Do you notice any difference in my eyelashes? I really don't think so. My eyebrows will look darker. I guess those do look darker, but I think it looks really good. My eyebrows look really good. They're a little dark, but I know that they'll lighten up, so yeah, they look super nice though. Okay guys, so I is finished, but that's what they look like. Let me take these glasses off for you. Obviously they are dark, but do I think that this was like a crazy drastic difference? No. So yeah, bedroom clean, eyebrows dyed. They are really dark, but I honestly really like them because they look super defined. I'm like never gonna have to put makeup on them. Okay, my camera's being really weird and like saying it's dying and then it's not dying, so I'm really confused. Anyways, I washed the dogs. I did that off camera because I was gonna film it, but my camera was saying that it was dying, so I didn't want to like mess it up. I'm gonna hop in the shower and get ready for church, so I will see you guys after that. So hello. It has been quite a bit of time actually. It is like 6:30 almost, I think. But yeah, I got dressed. I did my makeup. Obviously I straightened my hair because underneath of my hair were getting really curly, so I had to straighten my hair, which it looks super nice now. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my little outfit. I've got this Hawaii shirt on and then these like cream colored pants. Really so cute. I love them. I got them at TJ Maxx. They have like pink stains on them because I washed them with the pink shirt ones. So I am gonna dye these pants though because of the stains, but for right now this cream color is really cute. So I have church tonight. I have young adults group, which is gonna be so much fun. But right now I'm gonna do some content work on my YouTube channel. I'm gonna film me doing some of that, I guess. I just want to go on here and like add my iCards and stuff like that because I completely forgot to do that. I also have a video that is going up. It'll be up on Saturday. I actually kind of want to change the upload date because I don't know. I don't know, but it's uploading, so it's got some time left. Okay, so I am finished with like fixing this content stuff for YouTube. So it looks pretty good. I'll show you guys right now really quick. Oh, I'll show you guys. So on my channel now, I made a new banner art, and then I also made it to where this is the first video that pops up, and then I have all my videos here, and then there's vlogs, and this is just popular videos, which is pretty much all of them. So yeah, but these are like my vlogs and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna film something for my TikTok really quick, just showing my channel, I think. Okay, I seriously love how my channel is looking right now. Also, I redid the settings on my camera so that it shoots in 4K, which is so helpful. I just made a really quick TikTok, so I can't show you guys because of the sound. Here, I'll turn the sound down. The sound is really nice, so go look at my TikTok. My TikTok will be somewhere on the screen, but you can't really see because of the lighting, but yeah, you have to go see to find out. So I need to put my shoes on and I need to go because I'm gonna stop and get something to drink before church. So yeah, I'm pretty much gonna close out this video because I honestly don't have anything else to do. It's just church, and then if you guys want to see like a young adults church vlog, I can definitely do one of those, but I'm not gonna do that today. It's gonna be out of focus, I'm really sorry, but I need to get editing on this video. I might start it tonight and then finish it up tomorrow because I don't have anything to do really tomorrow. Pretty much it. I got a lot of stuff done today. I cleaned my room, bathed the dogs. I did make food. I made like a Chipotle bowl that's gluten-free because if you don't know, I'm going gluten-free, so that's going pretty good. So yeah, that was really fun. And I also did dye my eyelashes. I did my eyebrows, so let me know how you guys think. If you guys have tried it before, I'll also link the kit that I used down in the description box just in case if you want to use it. I recommend it. I think it was fun. I do recommend getting the dark black though because I don't think it showed up as much, but I am going to do it again probably tonight or tomorrow. So I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the bell for notifications whenever I upload. And you know the deal. It's kind of the same thing every single video. So yeah. I will see you guys in my next video. Definitely go watch my last video. That was super fun. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Love ya. See ya. Please come back.